In this video, we're going to see how you can utilize brands and sub-brands in your items. Let's take a look. When you come to your cloud back office, click over to All buttons. In the item section, you're going to see brand. Let's go into brand. Now I have a bunch of brands set up, but we're going to search for On. So this is the Helix On items from Altria. Now here we have brands set up. We can set up a new brand simply by hitting the plus, giving it a name, and hitting create. In this case, we have a brand set up called On, and it's got a description. It's as simple as that. Now there's other brands created for On Classic, On Plus, and On Single Can, and those have assigned a parent brand of this brand On. So if I click on the On Plus, you'll see it simply has a name and a parent brand assigned. You can assign a parent brand to any brands that you wish. If you're an Altria Scan Data customer and you've signed the API consent form to give Insight access to your Altria API info, then every time you run the download and pricer, it's going to keep the brand and sub-brand updated. Now let's see how we use this with our items. You can see I've applied a filter here with brand equals On, sub-brand equals On Plus. It's giving me just the items that are brand On and sub-brand On Plus. If I click into one of these items, you'll see brand here, and then when you click on sub-brand, you'll see any sub-brands available for this brand. When adding an item, if you click on sub-brand, you'll notice there's nothing in there. You'll want to head over to brand, choose your main brand, and then click on sub-brand, and you'll see the options available. The same goes if you're using group change. If you click simply on sub-brand, you're not going to see anything. You'll want to go to regular brand first, choose it, and then choose sub-brand. You'll also need to already have a sub-brand created in order to apply it with group change. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.